Whoa!
Lucky King!
Whoa!
Whoa!
What is that?
Lucky King!
Oh my goodness!
Lucky King! Open it.
Let me see. Open it. Let me see.
Open.
Look at these. Look at these. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Lucky King!
Cars. The cars. Need to open it.
Wait.
You got more cars.
Look.
More cars.
Lucky King!
Just say thank you.
Tico.
Thank you, B. Thank you. Thank you.
Tico.
Caris and family.
Mickey. Mickey.
Mickey.
Eh.
What is it? This is the scrub. Coffee scrub. Coffee scrub for face. Coffee scrub. So this, I got it from B.
Mama.
Yes, mommy. Look at this. Let's see what she got.
Mama,
Open. So open.
The King.
So B Rachel, she got us this. Oh wow, what is it? Joshua, open it. Open. No, here. Wow, what is it? What is it? It's the notepad. Notepad. Whoa. Oh, it's not notepad. It's a. Oh wow, what is this? This is so pretty. So pretty. Look at this. How pretty.
Mama.
It says Lydia here. Lydia. That's so special. That's so cute. Look, Joshua. Look, that's for your sister, Lydia. Nana Popo. Nine Po. This is a personalized gifts.
Mommy.
This is Lydia. Thank you, B. Thank you so much.
Mommy.
Yes. Yeah.
Open it.
Open it.
Open it.
Open it. A baby girl.
Baby girl.
May her life be filled with love and joy. Sweet. Hard. Dear Caris, congratulations on the addition to your family of a beautiful baby girl. Welcome to the world, baby Lydia. With love, B and Ed, Martha, and Cecily. Thank you, B. This is very, very, very special and sweet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. It's been so long since I filmed. I feel kind of awkward already. I think it's been over a month. Yeah, how are you guys doing? I'm actually going to meet my friends and get our nail done. This is like first time ever that I'm leaving my home without my baby. Can you guys see that? I bought the what do you call this? The camera holder, I guess. So I put that on the window, the front window, and I hope it stays like that. I know you guys want to see my second one, Lydia. She's now 7 weeks and 4 days today is, yeah, I count. So almost 2 months. She is getting bigger. She's been waking up every night, of course. She's a newborn baby, so I wake up when she wakes up, and when she's hungry, I feed her. I've been nursing her, and that's been a big challenge for me. Yeah, I hope you guys are okay, or you guys don't mind me talking in the car, not looking at the camera directly like this because I'm driving. But at least I can talk, and I can just, you know, let you guys see what I'm up to. So that's what's happening with me right now, and I hope you guys are having, I hope you guys are doing well also. Just wanted to show you guys how cute this mug is. This is from Starbucks, and anniversary series or what, collection. Okay, I'm done drinking coffee like water, right? Alrighty, I gotta go in and I'm gonna get my nail done. Yay! I'm not sure what color I'm gonna get this time, and I don't really get it done at the store, at the nail salon, so yeah, it'll be fun. And talking to my friends, they're all mommies and they have like 3 or 4 kids, so I know I'm gonna get a lot of help. I believe so. Yeah. I'll get back with you later. Bye guys. Hi guys, so I just got my nail done. I did the toenail, pedicure and manicure done, and it's getting really dark for some reason, and just want to show you guys that I've been loving this Tom Ford lipstick. I think it's pretty dark, but anyways, it's pink. I've been just dabbing on my center of my lips and go like that. That's all I do. But anyways, it just looks, you know, natural. Not natural, but just pink, hint of pink color. And you can see I've been using it non-stop, and very, very creamy and moisturizing, and it shines just a little bit, like good shine, not too much, not too little. And it is lipstick, but it's a lip color shine rouge. Ravineuse, I don't know, number 4. I'll leave the same one, I believe. If I can find it, I'll leave the link to the exact one down below in the description box. And the packaging is just to die for. Love it. Black with the gold. Love, love, love. So I've been non-stop using this. And anyways, I just finished my nail. I got a gel nail done, and this is my first time ever doing my nail color, baby pink color. Yeah, so rose ballerine key holder. I got this not too long ago. Anyways, look at the color, similar, right? Yeah, baby pink. I normally go with the bright fuchsia, hot pink, but baby pink I did, and very, very happy with it, and it looks really natural. And toenail, of course, I cannot show you guys that. Bag that I brought today is my classic medium flap, black heavy leather with the gold hardware. So let me drive back home. So my little girl Lydia, she's been sleeping 3 hours straight. Actually, she's been waking up every 30 minutes during the night. I don't know, she just doesn't like to sleep at night, so it's been very hard. So that's why I haven't been filming. Also, I haven't been posting that much on my Instagram also. So today I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit, you know, since I am outside and I've been just inside in the house all the time. just dealing with my little girl and an active boy, Joshua. Very fun being a mom, but it is challenging, you know. It's just non-stop changing diaper all the time, and you know, feeding, nursing her, and dealing with my little boy. Very active, and yeah, just catching up with you guys how my life has been. Definitely having 2 kids is a huge challenge. I think it's really different than having 1. Oh my goodness, it's my first one. He's turning 3 pretty soon, and he's been very jealous with our second one. He just pulls her arms, and I just have to have my eyes on both of them, because Joshua will be just, you know, around her, and he wants to do something to her. I mean, he's a really good boy, and he loves her. You can tell. He always talks about Lydia when he's outside, and he'll be always like saying, Lydia, baby Lydia, sister Lydia. That's what he would say, you know, with really sweet smile. But when I'm holding her, when I'm nursing her, he is not that happy, you know. So he wants to kind of touch her all the time. Like, I don't want to say hit her, but one time he hit her head, forehead, with his car, the toy, little toy, but it's metal. So oh my goodness, I was so not just upset, but I was really nervous. Like, what is he gonna do if I'm not watching them together just even 1 second? So I've been on top of watching them both non-stop. That's why I don't really have time to film, of course. Yeah, so that's what life has been so far. Just watching both of them all the time. Don't know, just at home. And when my husband is off work, I just get a chance to go outside sometimes and, you know, run some errands. I'm not even sure if I can edit this vlog and upload any soon, to be honest. This was my first time going outside to hang out with my friends, you know. So yeah, it was fun talking with them, girly talk, mommy talk, sharing our informations about, you know, just being a mom. And yeah, that was it. Once I get back home, yeah, I'll be all over the place with the kids and my husband and housework, all that. Very typical thing. I've been wanting to catch up with you guys. I've been dying to talk, film, but just no time and no energy. You know what? Tomorrow, it's Thursday. Till Sunday, we are gonna be in Tampa. So I'm thinking of vlogging. I'm gonna take my camera with me to vlog to see if I can do it with my newborn baby. Joshua is gonna be with a very close friend of ours. He's gonna stay at their home this whole weekend, so we can just have our girl with us. This is gonna be for my husband's business trip, so I'm gonna be just joining them. Joining him. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut it off here or add this part to the vlog that I am going to film this weekend. So it was great to meet you guys, catch up with you guys again this time. And yeah, I gotta go in. Hi guys, we are going to Tampa this time, so it's gonna be for my husband's business trip. So I just wanted to get out of the house, so I'm taking my little girl Lydia with us, and ooh, there she is. So we're at the hotel and we're about to head out the door. Let me quickly show you guys what I'm wearing. This is from Zara, the t-shirt, and I have this HRH collection necklaces, and I have my orange sandals, Hermes, and these jeans. These are like jeggings, very comfortable, and they were really, I think they are like $30 or $29. So these are from Zara. So that's what I'm wearing. Let me show you guys the restaurant name here on my phone. It says Sari One Korean restaurant. Is in Tampa, and we've been here before. Look at this. This is, I've been wanting to eat this. We call it tteokbokki. So this is rice cake right here. It's really chewy and soft. And here is the boiled egg. I really like that. Just grate this and mix it with the sauce right here. That's pretty spicy and sweet. This is my second dish that I ordered. You guys have seen this in one of my vlogs. It's the cold noodle. They call it mul naengmyeon. We've been eating that tteokbokki so much, and it's really good. And this is like a little bit that I got from my husband. He's having jjajangmyeon right there. His girl is sleeping. So that's that. It's so good. Say hi! Hi, Lydia! Here is my little princess Lydia. She is all dressed up. Actually, it's not really, you know. Anyways, she's wearing the Gap, Baby Gap little hat. And here is the little thing. It says organic. I cannot read from here. Anyways, it's from my sister from Korea. And here is the little moccasin on her little feet. So they are from the freshly picked. So yeah, hi Lydia, hi Lydia, hi Lydia. Let's go have lunch. So there she is, and she's smiling. Hi, yeah. Okay, so we gotta go. This hotel is so busy. We're staying at the Grand Hyatt.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. 2 months, almost. Barry is about to die. I'm looking for a car. I have coffee right here and my little extra things for my little one. So that's that. I'll catch up later with food, what we eat. I totally forgot about filming. Okay, so I've been eating naengmyeon again, the one that I ordered yesterday. It's the mul naengmyeon, the cold noodle. You can see the ice right here. It tastes so good. And this is the tteokbokki that I ordered yesterday as well, and I loved it, so I ordered the same one again. My husband got the box. I mean, what do you call it? Like galbi bento, like lunchbox? Yeah, lunchbox. Guys, we're at International Plaza. Okay, here's Louis Vuitton store that I'm gonna go. There is Capucine. Look at the perfume sets here, like this one. Going on is so loud. Let me show you guys what I got from Lush yesterday. Here is the toner. I'm gonna just try this out. I tried their tea tree toner before and I liked it, but this is the breath of fresh air. It has aloe vera in it and I heard good things about it from them. And this is Skin Drink. Has aloe vera also and has avocado and rose. That's the moisturizer. This is the ocean salt. This is the body scrub, face and body scrub. This is the #1 selling products from Lush. So I'm going to test this out. Yeah, I will test them out and I'll let you guys know what I